Hi guys, this is Peugeot 307SW from 2005 and today we're going to discuss bonnet lock problems. So this is your bonnet lock or hood lock, and it's going to be much easier to look at it if we remove the bumper first. There can be several reasons why your bonnet lock is not working. So in order to get the best overview of the mechanism, let's go through that first, and then you can identify the problem yourself when you understand how it works. Now, when you pull the lever on your driver's seat, you pull this part and therefore unlock this part. Now, let me show you what happens when I close the hood. Now, you will see that your hood is locked here. This is the part of your hood, and that's the lock together with the part on the other side. This is the pad, but you can't lift it now because normally you won't get access to it because you will have bumper here. So now when I go and pull up the pad, this wire is going to stretch this part and then open the hood, push this part up, and I'll show you which part is responsible for pushing this one up when we open it. But take a look what happens when I pull down the lever. So now you will have a gap that you could use to put your fingers here and pull up this pad and then open the hood. Now, if we look from the top, you see this part here is responsible for releasing your rod, and then you need to use the pad to release it further. And therefore, this is a pretty simple mechanism to fix when you know how it works. And hopefully you know by now. So it's either this wire that has been broken, and then you just need to follow it. It goes all the way here, all the way on the right side of the car, and then there to the lever on the left bottom side of the driver's seat. Or if this is completely rusted, for example, which it shouldn't, but if it is, you can remove this bolt, and basically replace the whole mechanism with the new one. One more thing, if you look from the top, this spring here is also something that can be broken or cracked, and then your lock will have problems functioning and basically will lock too soon. So if you see, you need to use a lot of force to close your hood, so you need to use some height from which you drop the hood for it to lock. And that's because this spring, which is also here, needs to bend all the way down for this part to lock the hood to your car. So when this is broken, it also has problems locking. Okay guys, that was a simple video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see how to remove the bumper, I have a video for that, and I will include the link in the description so you can use it and check it out. And hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, and if you'd like to see more Peugeot 307 mechanics, check my channel out. I've got plenty of videos about this car, and good luck with your Peugeot.